So far you've created two little programs. One of them gets Pacman to change his costume and keeps doing that until the game has stopped, and the second one gets Pacman to move forward until he hits the edge of the screen. Now this third part of the lesson, we're going to create the controls so that we can get Pacman to move up, move down, move left and right. Now if we go to the control option, we've been using this when green flag is clicked. We're not going to do that with this one. We're going to use the second one down, which allows us to say when a certain key is pressed. So for example, when the left arrow is pressed, what do we want to do? Now it's quite a simple program, and all we're going to do is change the motion, or look in the motion section for a point in direction, and we're going to change that so that it's selected left, and you can see it's got a value -90. So if we choose the left option, now when I run the game, when I press the left arrow key, you can see Pacman actually goes back the other way. Now to finish off, what you need to do is create a little program to do the same when you press the right arrow, up arrow and down arrow, and as soon as you play the game, then you should find that you can control Pacman to move around the maze. Now when you've done that, you should end up with something that looks a little like that shows what's going to happen when you use the different arrow keys. And if you play the game now, you should be able to test it out and see what happens when you make sure that all the arrow keys work as expected. Now this is a good opportunity to find out, what happens if you change maybe the number of steps from 10 to 5 or increase it. See what happens to Pacman as he moves around the maze.